This video is just for educational purpose. Don't use it on others' network, otherwise it may be considered as criminal offense and I am not responsible for that. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I bring a new content and it's about a Wi-Fi hacking. And this video is just for experimental purpose. Don't use it on others' device. This tiny device can hack any Wi-Fi very easily without any password. So let me tell you about this board. It is called NodeMCU. It has ESP8266 module on this board. It used in IoT and automation projects. So subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. So we need NodeMCU board. First we need to program this. There are many ways to program this board, but I am gonna tell you the easiest way. You can get this file from the description below. First open the file. Then select Windows 64 for those who have Windows 64-bit. Now click this. Now go to configuration and select ESP8266 deauthor. Then go to advanced and click on restore defaults. Then select the port and flash it. It will take several minutes and after completing, close the file. And the programming part is done. This is my DIY power bank for powering the NodeMCU. You can get the tutorial from I button. We need an USB cable. Now giving power to the NodeMCU. This laptop is connected to my home Wi-Fi. You can see my internet speed of my home Wi-Fi. You can see the internet is running and working perfectly. Now I play a video on YouTube and you can see my Wi-Fi status, it connected. Now take any phone and open Wi-Fi and connect to PWNED. Password is deauthor. And connect to this Wi-Fi. Now my phone is connected to NodeMCU board. And open Google Chrome and type this URL. Now click this option and click scan. And it will scan all the Wi-Fi around you. In my case, I select my home Wi-Fi, the electronic noobs. Then click on station. And click start. It will take 15 seconds for scanning and after 15 seconds reload the web page. Now it will show how many devices connected to my home Wi-Fi. In my case, my laptop is only connected, hence it is showing 1. Now it's time to attack. The first option is deauth. Its function is to disconnect all the device which is connected to my Wi-Fi. Sounds cool, right? So let's check and click the start button to start the attack. After starting the attack, the blue LED is glowing and the internet sucks. You can see my video is stopped and it is showing no internet. Now doing another attack. Click on clone option and start. It will show many clone names of my Wi-Fi so that no one can identify the original Wi-Fi. You can see there is a lot of names of my Wi-Fi electronic noobs and even I don't know which one is original. Now click the stop button for disable the hack. Now there is no clone names. It is showing only the nearby Wi-Fi. Now doing the last attack. It is also same as the previous one. The only difference is it will show the random names. You can see there is lot of Wi-Fi with random names. Which attack is the best attack according to you? Comment down below. Hope you liked the video and surely subscribe our channel. Now I am stopping this attack. Now the LED is not blinking. Now it's become normal and not showing the random names.